Your stovetop probably looks fine from afar, but up close, it definitely could use some deep cleaning. But what's the best way to clean a stovetop? In this video, I'm going to show you my tips and tricks on how to clean a stovetop in the best way possible. Let's start by, of course, removing those grates, because we need every inch of our surface area ready to be drenched in that special solution. And you may be wondering, what is that special solution? Don't worry, I'll let you have the secret. This is my secret recipe to make a cleaning solution a lot like Dawn Power Wash Spray for way less money, and yes, this is going to make your stove look spotless. Simply add 4 tablespoons of original Dawn soap, 2 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol, and 13 ounces of water. Shake it all up. Now you've got a cleaning solution that's going to save you money and get the job done. Now spray down your stovetop and make sure every single inch is covered in this sudsy goodness. Once your stove is covered in the solution, let it rest on your stove for about 5 minutes to ensure the solution has time to break down those stubborn gunk spots that have been on your stovetop for way too long. Next, get out your sponge, preferably one that has more of a rough texture, of course, to get off that gross gunk. Now, be sure to scrub in a circular motion. This motion is easily going to break down anything left over that our solution maybe wasn't strong enough to really break down all that much. And don't forget all those grooves, nooks, and crannies. They deserve love too. And you'll know you're about done when it starts to get extremely sudsy, just like this. Grab a drying cloth or a paper towel, then fold it, and remove all of that solution with clean, straight lines that all go in the same direction so that you don't have nasty swirl marks and smudges everywhere after you're done. Staying directional will literally make your stove look like a mirror. This is so beautiful. And this is disgusting. Look at that. And don't be afraid to take off those burners. Just look at the residue that I would have left if I would never have checked. Of course, repeat this process for all your burners, then reassemble them. I promise anyone can do this. It's not hard. And just like that, you have an absolutely glistening stovetop. But we're not done. You still have nasty looking grates. Yeah, gross. And the best way to clean these is by filling your sink up with water, then our cleaning solution. Go ahead and put all of your grates in there and let them soak for about 10 minutes. Now get that sponge out again and let's get some elbow grease. Scrub the grates in every nook and cranny, and yes, I know, this is actually pretty tough. Of course, repeat this process for every single one of your grates. Wash all of the soap off thoroughly, let them set, and then, of course, dry them. And don't be afraid to get in there with a strong grip. Most of the cleaning on these things actually happens in the drying phase. And now you have clean grates worthy of a spotless stove. Put your grates right back on, and just like that, you have done it. An absolutely glistening stovetop is always the highlight of a clean kitchen. If this helped you in any way, please drop a like and subscribe for more of the latest tips, tricks, and how-tos, all here from Marco.